Tuja, Brana Bipia, and so did them some of the clubs. Now, Copiamo, Italian Casio Syria, Atia, and Monday Night Football, no, Yenya Club and the Jean Eddie Aya Torino, on a Caglari, 1-8 at Tipenco, and a Timico Pian Bologna Tanafi, and my Association Casio Milan, led by Stefano Pioli, Wamoko Nanio Mecanimino, and Yadesa Bologna, Etimisia Braca, a Branche B. on Nitin, and so at Olivia Giroud, and Yago, and a Christian Pulisic, one and so Timia Go Mabipia, and so Timi Aya Kama Edema Club and the Jean Eddie Association Casio Milanda. And now Copiamo Italia Casio Syria Anuma, Nabibia and Swedi Jam Edema AC Milan, any Mumpany Farm, Yere Honsam Air Tuja, Yen Copiamo La Liga Santander, Deportivo Air Alaves, Etuatana Macoma Quenai, Emma Club and Gindi Savia from Ramos Sanchez Pijuan, Womukodin Cho by 4 goals to 3, and so El Clark Granada Bobo Connect Nafi, Emma Rayo Valacano, Economic Academy, and Yadesa Granada, Timisia Braca, and so on Ube Pimo EPL Numa game back with Timito Jano, Naya Club and Gindi Arsenal, the Ghana Jean Eddie Mason Greenwood, way back February, and on any girlfriend who sends him, Etimi Betoja, Emma Chesebe Deja, Emma Samuel Crack Pier Court, later, Omancasa Bushiano Etimishia, a assembly free quarter best or issue no fee, Diametin in Manchester United, one more answer somebody almost stands about Bonting after a quarter in the decision by Manchester United paying for one so much me or Mancasa internal investigations, and who said and 70 Simcoe, one say a Prantiana Eddie Mason Greenwood no. Officially, young break mo biante, and ya desa pranteno, a bet me part of Manchester United team no mubim, and into your Manchester United supporter, Shannon Mason Greenwood no, Manchester United so almost I dinner back, no Bessia kind of Manchester United, and ya desa be, and into a pranteno, we will be only a branching review, one fan any enche by before, no and so intimate, wouldn't so copy more man, did you car, Sabi ma any mwadie, young four munia grokra, is answer and chair cra, Braco Juma Cobone cra, what in some barbontin, alcohol body, and that's a Sabi, 1 year answer and nano pay. And until a branch and did Mason Greenwood no, a beto just any issue no rape cajon and an assault nigano, no one issue no one named your Babontin, and it's a Manchester United first massa, Bema Obo Madie, ye do our club room in ye, and no aqua reporter Eba, branch and did Mason Greenwood no, and ya so bet Miakos Wesinakai, and Yama Manchester United Bobo Kunipima, and aqua later as Eba, young copium or Madrid Club or not just your copium or Madrid, club and JD Atletico Madrid reporter and Sa Eka, and it's Al Hilal Bobo Kunaniabre, yes, so official Omania submitted a bid of £32 million. Send a branch and a Jindy Wadrigo the poor World Cup winner, a branch and a Munsaka and bet me a bois, Nabibia and Sweat Kama. Yes, Jamatin is a papa did Henrique Cerezo. Oh, yes, see one papa did Diego Pablo Simeone, woman take it decision as at now, woman go to Estedi bid near, and a latest a free club and did Atletico Madrid, woman answer camp 8 me apa. Jamatin is a branch and on the contract proposal, Edia Kama branch and did Wadrigo the camp, Wadrigo the poor in the camp, send no Muntimishem, not just on Union to na branch on, and Messina can farm Ahilal Bobo Kuna, and no answer latest a Epa Nanopaya, Yere Honsam Air Tuja, Young Copiamo Manchester City, or Manchester Crodianum, now Copiamo Manchester City at the Etoja Nanopay, and it's a branch and did Jeremy Doku, and so a branch officially, when you're at joining Manchester City, Nabibia Etimi Ayakama, and no answer later, Sir Eben Jeremy Doku, our free club and did Reneno, Diametin and Nanopay, say here we go, and Yasu, now here we go, and Yasu penalties are branch and Urbanisa, Diametins are branch and edge, joining club and did Manchester City, no Abe Bridgemano, and so the club and did Manchester City, and Yakaka Etoja skate me Piano, a 60 million euros package, and it's me called Rene, Bobo Konomania Giatum Sa Branchano, and so it's me about officially personal terms, no, a Jesu Mania Giatum, Amabipia, and so it's me a Concaya, and no, later said, Honsam, and so Air Tuja, Young Copiamo Club and Jean Eddie Savia. Now Copiamo Savia, a branch and Jindy Gonzalo Montel, Diametin and Nano Penso, and Nottingham Forest, Bobo Kuno, Womania Rivi, Amas Club and Jean and Swedi Savia Yaji 11 million euros, Womania Giatum, Sa Brantiano and Swintim Ranemum, initially a loan bid, non fee and multimedia, not just obligation to buy 11 million euros clause, no, Womania and Swedi Hashem, not just a loan no corner Gonzalo Montel, one on Swetimia Bomadi, I deal in permanent, and near Capri Plantino, and Swecamp Intimia by Emma Remfisa Brantia did Gonzalo Montel, no a part of Papa Jean, and Lionel Scaloni in the squad or the copyim, our Kada 2022, no Dimuntin Timaya Panti, Argentina squad on the walk up no, na Gonzalo Montel, and so Dimuntin Timaya, ne Oba Pim, our EPL no Abe Bredjuma, Nabipia and Swetimia Kama, Young Copium, our Inter Milan, now Copium or Inter Milan and Nano Paya, Papa did go say Pepe Morata, Warrior Tuja, said now Brantia the Jean and so the Benjamin Pavard no, a Brantiano on Nadia, and ya there's some more people more aya announcement saying now Brantiano or Banasa Oma, Nemum Dubetia Cansa Brantiano, J. Econoje, a Yadesa by Munich Bobo Boboko no enya jomo bid na tuma enche kra Brantia ndi Benjamin Pavard no Brantia enso betimi apa no ba bepo adwuma enso we Inter Milan apokache e Italian Casio Real men wako latest development mensa etimi aka na nya Benjamin Pavard nko ena eba Brantia ne didi Alexis Sanchez Diamete na no pese kuntunya ni nchia na eko winim so free Inter na join Olympic Marseille dia etoja na no pensa Brantia currently oye free agent dia etoja say Alexis Sanchez ebetimi return back e go sepe mianza eno enso latest e free Brantia no enso camp but this is not likely so Alexis Sanchez enso besia bounce back e Italian Casio Real no na watimi akoba adwuma dia ma club and din enso the Inter Milan da eno latest mensa e kan na no pede ho nsem no enso etimi atodwa yen kopiem AS Roma camp Stadio Olimpico now kopiem AS Roma camp reporter etoja na no pay and say Atalanta Bergamo led by Gianpiero Gasperini almost striker bi ne modemon was free pa Brantia ne didi Duvan Zapata dia etoja ne say ne papa didi Jose Felix Santos Moreno na ni abresa Brantia no wo saka ne betimi aboa na Brantia enso abepo adwuma begina ni mu atotontina no obepetna the likes of Temi Abraham Sasna Andro Gallo Pelotia ebetimi aboa na nhye no enso atimi akoye eno later samensa e kan na no penti Duvan Zapata no Jametin sa Brantia na nya yes e de ache AS Roma akase no betimi akọ na chese wakobo adwuma in a professional manner na bibia enso atimi akọ nkan e de ama Brantia na din e de Duvan Zapata eno akọ later se free AS Roma boboko no wo mo enso camp eba na papa ne didi Harry Daniel de etoja na no penti se no kopiema French under 21 team no yenya bo Henry papa ne didi Thierry Henry enso din se omra no me fa adwuma no entimi amfama club and din anaso mo ya ne din enso e France omoman no eno later samensa e kan na no penti officially after se papa no masa ye man nyuma ne pi na enso antimi anko ye obefa AS Monaco adwuma no nanso agiguye de Eben se ne French under 21 team no ye de ama papa ne didi Thierry Henry ye de ama no ene odo na ebehwe ne wa prepare team no de o mawuram eye Olympic 2024 na bibia enso etime kama eno later samensa eka na Brantia ne didi Harry Edward Kane winning say Friday night obo adwuma wetimi bomodi she go ya assist masa sa ne nya ho kwa nya tena no kwa so no nim adwuma ne ye masa ba se ye ntoto ntena so won paso a wo ye expert masa obo game ne wie ya pen ye friend masa ene o yire so awo ama bibia enso de dam ne yira ne din educate eno ticket etimi abomodi e de papa didi Harry Kane ne fourth born no enya ba asasi so a wo join show na wo Sompa 90.7 a wo be say Harry Kane da air screen so na chese ne ba ne da bo so bibia e kon kan ma Brantia ne didi Harry Edward Kane ya the latest na etuja na no pay na maame ba kwa ne din enso Olivia Bugalo mami we odini nkui ma Sky Sports ko wakra tananse sense juma ko no UK mami na kodi nkomo afa Enzo Jeremiah Fernandez any Chelsea lose omunya no over the weekend against West Ham United no na mami no se yemfam tujwa se ne Abrante ti se Enzo na no penalty no se ye no wo se na nke betimi asesa game no at the same time nke betimi aboa ma Chelsea for etimi apeke o momentum but nemum ade ba ko hunu wo Chelsea game no ene say Chelsea positivities be start eba Chelsea boko na kati yandwa ni show no Sompa 90.7 FM na yentie sadia maame na eden komo no etuja Sky Sports omujuma dia yato ne din football daily.
I mean, it's one game. It's half an hour. I mean, Chelsea fans are not worried about Moises Caicedo at all. They know what he can bring to this Chelsea defence, and it really wouldn't surprise me now. He didn't quite look match fit. I think he looks slightly off it. You could tell he hasn't played for a while. But I think the best thing to do now is to get him playing, to start him, whether that's alongside Romeo Lavia in a 2 in midfield. I think that's the way forward, with playing Enzo in that number 10 role slightly further up. But I think now we know what he brings, and I know people were laughing about it and finding it funny because Chelsea had spent that much on it, but it's only because they're doing it now because they know that he will be worth it. We've seen he's on his way to being world class already, and it was a disappointing half an hour, and I think Chelsea fans, were gutted that the way he came on and how it happened.
And some of Mamia Didi Olivia Bugalo were answering Etuja or Sky Sports Mujuma Atuni football daily. Nanya no kwano can we are on side Tuja some of Sis Caicedo they're still Chelsea for no Enya Butren Faman irrespective so a disappointed deb Chelsea for Nya Butren and Fama Moses Caicedo. It sounds all qualities to become a world class midfielder.
Yeah, I think most rival fans really enjoyed that performance yesterday. It was a really frustrating game because it was a really positive, especially after West Ham scored their opener. I thought it was such a brilliant response to Chelsea. I think last season when Chelsea went behind, there was just no one thought they were going to get back into the game. To respond as brilliantly as they did was really impressive. I thought Chelsea were on the front foot coming into sort of the latter stages of that first half. And I think if Enzo Fernandez steps up and scores that penalty, which Sky Sky Sports actually during that coverage said that it could have been retaken, or maybe should have been retaken, because Souček was encroaching and he was the one that cleared it. I'm clutching at straws here, but if Enzo scores that, we're sat here with a completely different narrative, because I think Chelsea go on to win that game comfortably. I really liked Nicholas Jackson's performance.
And on to Chelsea supporters, Munya Butcher is answer some positivities about game. No, last season, yes, Chelsea and me and bounce back to the game, and young command Eddie to Janan himself, Papa, did Ben Foster, where Timmy are retired from Association Football after Papa retired and come say, and a Sky Sports Football Daily, Womushono Omo Enso, Etimi Eddie Jai, El Ben Foster Camp.
Okay, let's bring you some breaking news. After making 12 appearances for Wrexham since returning to the club in March, goalkeeper Ben Foster has announced his retirement from professional football. He spoke with manager Phil Parkinson after Saturday's game and informed him of his intention. He had this to say: "The honest truth is that my performances this season haven't reached the level I demand of myself, and I feel that now is the right time to retire. At the forefront of my mind when making this decision was not only what was best for me, but also the club, and making the decision now gives the club every opportunity to assess their options before the window closes. Wrexham will always have."
And on Aya Kakra, if Ben Foster and so camp to Janan himself, Brantian did Bukayo Saka over the weekend with me equally Papa Jean Eddie Paul Mason in the record, and I don't say 82 consecutive matches played. No, a Brantian Jean and so Bukayo Saka, me equal record now since 1995-1997 season. No, and a Papa Jean and so Paul Mason and so me as a record. A Brantian did Bukayo Saka and so me equal consecutive 82 matches played. A Brantian and so me equal yeah, Nigisem, Equadiama Brantian Jean and so Bukayo Saka, Calvin Place a player at my club and at Manchester City. Report I mean sa Ekan and Pay, and it's a club and did Liverpool in Yabre. Sa branch and did Calvin Phillips no woman be dran free bit me abwa. Nancy Seno and sweat me officially. The meeting is a papa and sweat a Jordan Norbert club. When Yan go ahead and say Liverpool penny for and Fabid Ninkopim or Man City no more question on Sabeka Brantina and so later I mean sa Ekan and Pay and so with Madian so. Na papa did Mikel Arteta Metran and a papa si and Fantuja was in the club and did a Arsenal womudia and yet so contested for a title race no nemum se kwanya beto ho so dia wo mu betimi age na bibia enso etimi kama after mu game etimi to January against Crystal Palace no e no de san komo enso etimi etoja na ma memfa nkopem e wo Spain. Papa ne didi Luis Riberes, Papa no na Spanish FA president, Papa no Eddie Atuja e wunim se nei after se FIFA Women's World Cup ne ko na wie ye no brother players ne kwakwaje awards no Papa no etimi ekokisi abeba wa ba kwa ne din Eddie Hamoso Jennifer Hamoso demeti ne na no pay ene se Papa ne din Eddie Luis Riberes no yes FIFA ebe investigation dentia wotimi koma keys no e wo bra ye ma awards no eno ti FIFA eba be hwehwem na chese kobubo Papa ne dia anhwa asotwe betimi akọ Eddie ma Papa ne din Eddie Luis Riberes eno enso free Spain patamo enso eba na no penti Papa no keys wotimi ko twa ye after say ni je muro so wo mo je World Cup no ko kisi mami ane din Eddie Jennifer Hamoso no ho atimi anya abasem ama FIFA ni abre Jerry Infantino ene na pamfo etimi ate committee no ma hwehwe de enti otimi ko kisi abaya no eno report aminsa kan na no pay na mami ane didi Serena Wagman ene ye manager ede mo mami ane din ede the Three Lions of England omuma team no mama ni si Mfantuja in respective so man timi anye trophy still wo hunu positivity say o team no mani agiye pa e sanse ba bi o mutimi kokodru ye no credit ede mo mami ane din enso Englander eno ye kakra free mami ane didi Serena Wagman mama enso camp eba na no pay na Liverpool camp na minsa eka ene say ne omo pranti ane din Alexis McAllister wunim say over the weekend otimi kodi red card the meeting say Liverpool for appeal decision no efe na kache ene ye report aminsa eka na no pay enso show so ede free Liverpool boku no wo mo enso camp eba na bibia atimi ayekama enso na Moses Caicedo Moses Caicedo Chelsea supporters because after making the derby now just a game no and to be unquay no or yeah you copy on the Twitter page and come say no Chelsea supporters no or say it wasn't a derby that I expected, but I am happy to get my first minute with this big club. And when Chelsea supporters know what we will keep working hard to put this team where it deserves. Thank to fans who are supporting me. Okay, the Moses Caicedo, Orijamo, and so I don't know. After say, Okokoso penalty match, as he gave require 3-1 no, and no energy Moses Caicedo, Edija Chelsea supporters now. Generation also 90.7. Ube who the tweet in the Bia, and so at me I come. I don't pay for the PSNB.